In our culinary program, you'll train with real chefs, get hands-on experience in a professional kitchen, and earn certifications that will get you hired. You'll plan menus, plate like a pro, and cater everything from weddings to corporate events. This isn't just cooking, it's creating experiences. So grab your apron. Your future starts here.
My name is Brandon, and I'm in the culinary program. My grandparents and my dad both own restaurants, so I kind of grew up in the back of house, always watching them run around the kitchen, sending out orders, and I kind of just fell in love with it. My dream job right now is to own a restaurant. EVIT's definitely helped me for that, for learning more back of house and how to run it. You're hands-on, you're getting in the kitchen, you're actually cooking, and you're doing something different every single day. The prepping and skills that we learn here for that greatly impacts how I'm going to be able to fully succeed in the career that I want to be doing. Your future, your way.
Your future, your way at EVIT. Enroll today at evit.edu.